You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word and clarify its pronunciation. In the British English and American English are a bit different, which is probably why you get a little bit confused, or people get confused. Suppository is the British English pronunciation. Suppository, some may say a bit more as suppository, a t-ry, but usually the t syllable is skipped. Suppository, suppository. In American English, however, it's normally pronounced as suppository, suppository. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.